Today I'll show you how to download game content from Unity's Cloud Content Delivery System without writing any code. I'll be using the downloader that comes with LBS Seamless, which will be available on the Unity Asset Store. First you'll need to connect your project to the Unity Cloud with the Unity Hub. Then set up CCD using the Unity dashboard. It's free to get started. I've got a scene from Landscape Builder where the game will begin. I'll add some different URP trees from Nature Manufacture. The batcher will instantiate a player addressable prefab. As the scene fades in, we'll get the batcher to instantiate the player. But we need a lightweight scene that downloads the game content and manages jumps between our scenes. I'll duplicate the CCD template from the Demos folder and rename it CCD Loader. Our first standard Unity scene needs to be in the build settings. I'll give it a background image so we have something to look at. You'll notice the template already has a jump manager and jump scene components. The jump manager lists all the scene changes used in the game. Our game content, including the scenes, will be addressables, so we'll jump from the loader scene to our first playable scene. The camera has a jump include so that it can be moved to the next scene. It will be disabled when the player has been instantiated. Set the camera position where we expect the player camera to start. I have a group called CCD Content, and the schema in the inspector is Content Packing and Loading. The build and load paths is remote. There's a Unity bug that requires manual content upload with pack separately, so we'll use pack together. If we look at the active profile, Build Remote Catalog is enabled. I've already made an addressable build to the Unity Cloud Content Delivery Storage. Our template has a progress and status bar to provide some visuals. On the Content tab, we'll add the content using labels we set up earlier. We could also use asset references or a combination of both. I've grouped my content using two labels, so I need two content items. When the game first starts, we want to check if there's any new content to download. If there's no new content, we want to disable our Update button and enable the Start button. And if we have new content after it has been downloaded, we also want to enable the Start button. Update Game will download all new content. Start will call our first jump so we can load the first gameplay scene. Clear Cache will help with testing. Now create a build and test our game. The downloader will discover and download any new content since the user played last. Let's restart the game and see what happens. This time we go straight into the game.
Support us on Patreon to help us create more content, and thanks for watching.